Welcome to Microsoft Office Learning. In this video, we will learn how to format the numbers. And after watching this tutorial, you will be able to know how to quickly format the numbers. Let's get into the video. Let's discuss some shortcut to format your numbers. So I will select all those cells. And if I want to convert into currency formatting in dollars or sterling, so the shortcut key is Alt H A N, and you can press enter for sterling. It will convert into sterling. Control Z to go back. Again, if I want to convert into comma style formatting, so I'll press Alt H K and it will convert those numbers into comma style. And next one is increase decimal. If I want to increase decimal of these numbers, I will press Alt H 0 and it will increase its decimal. If I want to decrease decimal, I will press Alt H 9. So it will increase the decimal from the right hand side. So this is how you can quickly format your numbers in Microsoft Excel. Hit the like button if you like this video.